Hi, my name is Ashley Mosqueda, and this is my Project 3 for EDTC 527. This is my 7th grade unit plan on prisms and surface area. This unit will take place over a 15-day period of 55 minutes per day. This unit is designed to allow students to explore the formula of surface area, identify three-dimensional shapes based on their properties, and apply the concept of surface area to three-dimensional shapes, such as prisms, pyramids, cylinders, and cones. This unit of study will allow students to identify shapes and their unique representations and specific properties. When students have an understanding of these geometrical shapes and begin to think of a window as a square or a can of soda as a cylinder, then they will have a deeper understanding of how shapes combine to create everything around us. The California Common Core State Standards for 7th grade math will be addressed for this unit, as well as the technology standards from ISTE, or International Society for Technology and Education, which are a framework of standards to rethink education and create innovative learning environments. There are 3 goals that will be covered throughout this unit. The first goal is that students will be able to identify and name 2D and 3D geometric shapes. Students will be able to verbally explain terminology for these shapes, as well as recognize and classify based on specific features. The second is that students will be able to understand and identify the differences between regular and irregular polygons. And the third learning goal is that students will be able to find the surface area of geometric shapes and prisms. Students will be able to use the surface area formula to solve various problems, including real-world examples. This unit was designed with activities that address multiple intelligences, a theory that was developed by Howard Gardner, which states all students possess 8 different intelligences and all learn or process information in different ways. These intelligences include visual spatial, bodily kinesthetic, intrapersonal, logical mathematical, naturalist, musical, linguistic, and interpersonal. Using a variety of technology, this unit includes activities that will address each of these intelligences to benefit the students in my classroom. Throughout the unit, there will be many opportunities and activities that will highlight the strengths and learning abilities of all students. The following are a few examples of projects and activities that will take place throughout this unit. Students will work in small groups and create a jingle about surface area. They will then create a video using iMovie or YouTube to share with the class, demonstrating their knowledge on surface area. This project will provide an opportunity for both linguistic and musical learners to demonstrate their strengths by creating a fun tune. This will also be a great opportunity for bodily kinesthetic learners to move and act in their YouTube video. The collaborative aspect of this project also allows for an appropriate learning experience for interpersonal learners. A second activity provides opportunities for logical mathematical learners to analyze and manipulate 3D prisms on an interactive website called learner.org. As students design the net images, this will also provide a rich learning experience for visual spatial learners who learn from visual representations. With interpersonal learners in mind who best learn through independent projects and assignments, I have created a virtual field trip activity where students will work individually on their iPads as they are transported all over the world visiting architectural structures such as the Eiffel Tower or Egyptian pyramids. Students will be able to connect what they have learned throughout this unit and see how shapes and prisms relate to the real world. While on this journey, students will use Quizlet to answer a variety of questions that demonstrate their knowledge and understanding. Throughout this course, I have learned about so many ways to reach every type of learner and enrich the learning experience in the classroom. I have also learned so much about Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences and how it may be difficult at times, but when we dig deep, we can find so many ways to reach all types of learners with a huge variety of technological tools and apps available to us. Thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed my presentation.